Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here to show you my quick and easy one eyeshadow palette 5-minute tutorial. So I can literally do this exact routine in 5 minutes. This is what I like to do even when I have absolutely nothing on my face like I do now. My face is 100% clean. It's just got moisturizer on it. And this is just the eyeshadow I like to put on my eyes when I don't feel like doing anything else, but I feel like having a little something on my eyes. You can really interchange the lid color for anything really. Sometimes I like putting kind of like a bone-ish white shade or maybe even like a shimmer instead of that pink there. But today I was really just wanting to use the Nudie Patootie palette. So every color that I use on my eyes, I get out of the Nudie Patootie palette except for the bone shade that I use just because this one doesn't have it, but I did use Cat's Pajamas for that. And I'm just gonna quickly run y'all through how I do this tutorial in 5 minutes. So if you wanna see that, please keep watching. Okay, so I've got you zoomed in. We're going to go ahead and start with the MAC paint pot in the color Painterly as our base. And I am going to take a Morphe E23. Okay, so now we're just going to get out our Laura Cat's Pajamas. I'm literally just going to use this one for the Okie Dokie shade right here, just as my base really quickly. I'm going to use this one brush for pretty much all the colors. It's the Morphe M504. And we're going to use this just to get that Okie Dokie bone shade all over our lid. Okay, now that we've got that all primed and set with the Okie Dokie shade, we are going to go in with the Laura Los Angeles Nudie Patootie palette. We are going to start with the shade Undressed right here. And we're just going to put that not all over the lid, but you can be kind of messy with this. I like to keep it in the crease area, but a little higher and a little lower is fine too. Like I said, no need for perfection here. And I'm even bringing this color all the way in. Okay, now that I feel like I have enough of that color there, we're going to go ahead and go in with Strip here in the same Nudie Patootie palette right there. And we're just going to basically do the same thing, but I'm going to try and keep it closer in on the crease and more towards the outer corner. Same brush. Now we're going to take the color Bear right here, and I'm going to use the Morphe R42 brush, and I'm just going to pack that color all over the lid, bringing it almost all the way over to the edge. And I'm kind of creating a cut crease with it, although I'm going to go back in with that big blender later and blend it out. But I do want to bring it all the way up to the crease, especially since I have to create a crease because I have hooded eyelids. And now that I've got that packed on, I am going to go back in with the M504 big blender brush, and I'm just going to go in there and gently kind of blend out those lines because we don't want harsh lines. Kind of blend the edges here. All right, and once you've got that blended, we can go into the lower lash line now with our Morphe E36 brush and just take the shades Undressed and Strip and just go along that lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the Morphe M432 with the shade Bear right here, and I'm going to get really close to the waterline with this. And then I'm just going to go back in with that really small blender. It is the E36, and just blend it out. And then I'm just going to take a little makeup wipe and just clean up underneath it because I usually make a mess doing that. And now I'm going to take the Morphe E39 brush, and I'm just going to go right here in the inner corner. We are going to go into the inner corner with Stark right here. And now I'm going to take my Thrive Causemetics eyeliner and just line my lower waterline. And for the eyeliner, you can really use whatever color you want. I prefer black, but I think like a nude would look really good with this, or even a white. And then we're just gonna curl our lashes and apply the Thrive Causemetics mascara. This stuff is great. If you haven't tried this, you definitely should. And that is it for this look. So here's the final result. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial, and leave any questions you have down below in the comment section. I will make sure to reply to every single one of them. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.